Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some pancakes. Well, I guess it's going to be like a cook with me. It is 10:19 in the morning and I'm starving, so I want to eat. And I'll be going out later to do some errands and I'm going to be going bowling, so I need to fuel up these muscles. I got all of my ingredients that I need. I got buttermilk, pancake, and waffle mix. This stuff is bomb. I got this from Walmart. I need is water and just mix in this one, so I don't need any eggs or anything like that, so I like that. My measuring cup, my mixing bowl. I got everything I need, so... Oh. Up my pancakes. I'm just gonna put just a cup of flour in, that's it, because I can only eat so many pancakes. And after that I'm like, bleh! I'm just gonna eyeball it and see how much water I need. And now I'm gonna mix it. Definitely gonna need more water than that. Oh. I think I'm gonna need more water than this. Oh. I'm definitely gonna be getting me some more muscles doing this. I also got some butter flavored table syrup. This stuff is bomb. I think that's good. I don't want it too watery or anything, because then it's gonna be hard to flip them. I'll be right back. Hold on. It's all done. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. Add some margarine. I like margarine over butter, to be honest. Just gonna move the butter around. Look at me go. One pancake so far. I'm so excited. Just can't hide it. I know. Pancakes going. Test. Fermented some of these pancakes are. Oh well. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Do I look cute? It's so good. Guys, that is my cook with me video. I'm gonna go eat my pancakes and start heading out, I guess. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.